castle was upgraded so bad. I love it. It's new, it's bigger, and my room is awesomer. Okay. Get down. Don't know how to get down. Okay.
Daughter.
Mom, go sleep. Why do you have fire? Oh, I think that today's the day we're gonna cook food.
No, it's feast day.
Oh yeah, we should everybody in the hotel.
Your friends are going to come,
Yay!
but not for long.
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
yay! You like things that way. That's my phone. I click a cart. What's my phone? Bedroom. Go upstairs. Where's the kitchen? No,
The kitchen, I know where it's at, but I'm not gonna tell you.
Where's the kitchen? I don't know. I haven't going to your room. Where's the kitchen?
That is very funny.
Okay, where's the food area? I want to get some wheat and all those things.
I'm not telling you.
Okay. Jack gets the food this way. No. Here. Where's the food area? Oh my gosh, I'm lost in this castle. Here is a food area. Is it? No. It's a garden. Okay, I've been looking everywhere and it's not here. Okay, I don't want to go down there because I don't want to die. So, let's go here. Okay, where's the kitchen area? Where? I saw a garden. I saw it. Went outside. Go outside, check. The library's there. A library. Where is it? What? What the heck? Is it there? Okay, guys. Get ready to go. Ah! Ow. Oh, the kitchen. The food's here. So, get some cookies. So much of these and that. Okay. Do we need some of these? So that. I didn't finish that. Here's the kitchen. Here's everything. Where's the kitchen? Here. Restroom. Restroom's there. Here's the extra places. There's a kitchen. That's not the kitchen. That's a food. That's the food area. Oh, here's the kitchen. No, I don't want it. Okay, okay, so like, let's go in. Let's go chop. I'm really not hungry yet, but need to cook some food. I'll go inside. No, this is not the kitchen. Oh my gosh. This is not in the kitchen. Okay, here's all these tool things. I don't know what's a kitchen at. Do we even have a kitchen? Do we even have a kitchen in this castle? So like, it's not here. Where is the kitchen? The kitchen is my lovely place to eat. Is this a kitchen or a restroom? I don't know. It's a kitchen? It's a kitchen! Where's the kitchen? Okay, the kitchen's right here. Remember, this is the kitchen. Princess Little Caitlin and Princess Little Emma and Princess all these princesses are my friends. But and all those like they're all nice. So like no, I don't know them this. Let's check the armory room in case evil little Kelly and evil little Carly and evil little Angel. Me, like evil. How am I evil? Cobblestones here. Cobblestones on cobblestone. Dirt, gravel, sand, dirt, gravel, and that's the sand. Yep, I was right. Half stone. Okay, that's weird. One item. I don't see anything that's one items here. Okay, armor, general. Thousands of those there. Armory. Good job, good job. So all the things are there. This is all these cool things there. I need something to use. I need money. Cause I have to go to this part. I have to go to the mall first. Get some gold. I don't want to use those. There's mobs. I don't want to. Oh my gosh, there's so much money every time I look at the jets.
Water. Need 2 water. 2 water.
Okay, get some money. Okay, got some money. Look at this. This is why I don't want to go to the basement. I don't want to die. Okay. Let's go to the mall. Let's go to actually this. It's not the mall, but it's called stores. It's downstairs. Let's go out. It's a gate. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, let's go to the store. Actually, wait, is there someone here? Oh, oh, the store's over there. Let's go downstairs. Store's right here. Uh-huh. Okay, here it is. They're not here today, but I think they're open because they give it because it's raining. And nothing in the chat. I think this is the chat. Oh, I want to open this. Plus three. This costs up to $300. That's a lot. This is with apples. I've got this. No, I don't need these chairs. Okay, so go to. Oh, you pay that. A lot of money there. Here's a tip. Okay, go outside. Okay, are you ready? Come back. Go there. Ow. Okay. Okay, so guys. know that one. I already know. Okay. So let's go out. I love my world. I love my castle. I'm not bragging because I never had a castle. Okay, check. Just right. Proceed to the lamp. Oh, this is right. Step here. Oh yeah. I got a new iPhone 6. So I got a new iPhone 6. Oh, why did I get an iPhone 4? So I've never had like it. Never had an iPhone 6. I always got like Samsung iPhone. Okay, so check it. iPhone 7 is a long one too. So check it in the room and well, I will buy the Instagram feed, get it. It's right on. Okay, so check it. This is my email on it, the password, and everything. Ah, my Instagram. Hey, 3/4. Okay, my Instagram's here. Yeah, I checked it. It's good.